All right. So we finished up to 59. We have to only do numerical questions. Okay, very first numerical question is they wanted sine B. So I can simply use the sine rule, right? A by sine A is equal to B by sine. So sine B is equal to B sine A by A. Small b is 8 and this is 6, 8 into sine 30 degrees by 6. Yes, please. Tomorrow holiday, you don't know? For KVPA class or what? Or extra class? Achha, okay. So, I will not take any. You want also, I will not take. In fact, I am eagerly waiting when holiday will come. Okay, we got sine B as 2 by 3. So, B is sine inverse 2 by 3. The second question is very good based on the sine rule actually. We have a triangle. In the second question, the base BC is made into three equal parts, BD, DE and EC, they are all equal. Doesn't mean these three angles are equal, okay, only these lengths are equal, these angles are not equal, okay. For example, if you take median, doesn't mean the two angles will be equal, right, in the same way. BAD is X and DAE is Y and EAC is Z. Now they want sin x plus y, sin y plus z and sin x, sin z, something like that. Okay. I will take this length is k, this length is k and this length is k. I want to apply sine rule in triangle BAD. What I will get is sine, and I also take some angle, this as theta. This will be 180 minus theta. Let me do this. I will take this as theta, this as alpha. This will be 180 minus theta. This will be 180 minus alpha. This is B and this is C. Of course, I can write theta alpha in terms of B and C also, but may not be. Maybe I'll just manage with that also. That's okay. Let me eliminate all these things. If this is X and this is B, this should be B plus X, exterior angle. And if this is Z and this is C, I think I should draw a little bigger figure. Okay. So this is BC, three equal parts we made. This is K, I'm taking. This is X, Y, Z. This is B. This is exterior angle for this triangle. So this is equal to B plus X. This is exterior angle for this triangle. So C plus Z. If this is B plus X, this is 180 minus B plus X. And if this is C plus Z, this is 180 minus C plus Z. Okay, I want to apply sine rule in each one of or two of the triangles put together. If I take a triangle BAD and apply sine rule, I will get AB by sine 180 minus B plus X. I may not need it. Okay, I think I will not write that part also. These angles are not important. I will simply write K by sine X equal to AD by sine B. Okay, let us see what is going to come. Next, I am going to take triangle BAE. Then this length will be 2K. And opposite angle is sine of X plus Y. And in that big triangle, I can take AE and opposite side is B. So I can take AE by sine B. Okay. Next, they wanted sine Z and sine Y plus Z. So I'll take the last triangle. Triangle AEC. Again, there is a side K. Sine of opposite angle is sine Z. AE is another side. Opposite angle is sine C. So I don't need these angles, so there is no need of writing it. Okay. Next, I am going to take triangle ADC. In the triangle ADC, this side is 2K now. Okay, this is 2K. Similarly, this is also 2K. That will be 2K by sine Y plus Z equal to opposite to ADC, AD by sine C. Okay, multiply these two and multiply these two. No, they want sine X plus Y into sine Y plus Z. So I have to multiply these two. So let us multiply these two and these two and see what will come. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is 3 and this is 4. If I take equation 1 into equation 3, this and this, I will get k square by sin x sin z equal to AD into AE by sin B into sin C. If I equate equation 2 and 4, again I will get 4k square by sin x plus y into sin y plus z is equal to, again same thing, AD into AE by sin B into sin C. Because these two are equal, these two are also equal, I can equate them now. So k square by sin x sin z is equal to 4k square by sin x plus y and sin y plus z. K square will cancel. Then we'll get this here and 4 will come answer. So sin x plus y into sin y plus z by sin x into sin z is 4. Okay, so we applied sine rule in this one small triangle, and then in this triangle, then in this small triangle, and in this triangle. Is everybody clear? Second one? Okay. Next question is very simple cosine rule you can apply. Get it. Actually, for last 9-10 months, they did not use this lab. Yesterday I showed you. Yesterday I used it. You can see, all of you know burette, right? If you can see a lot of burettes. Okay, so they are doing some experiments. Oh, see, wanted to show, but I already showed. Huh? That's okay. Okay. Yeah. Actually, on the whole table, they kept a glass everywhere because so that the chemicals will not touch the wood and they will affect. There are many colleges where they don't do practicals in intermediate colleges. They don't do at all. Yeah, yeah. Some material has come. Your mains material, advanced material, that kind of books for seniors. Just yesterday only, I think they came from press, and some of them are there earlier also. In some colleges, they don't do practicals. In some colleges, they'll show the videos of practicals and they say, this is the way you're supposed to do it. Practical marks are there in the exam, they'll manage somehow. You know what I mean by manage? Yes. Yeah. Uh, no, no. Earlier it used to be in the same college, but from last 2 3 years, it is also like public exam. You have to go to different college on a particular day, which is allotted to you, and practicals will be. Actually, if it is an offline situation, by now we would have done first year practicals, everything. Okay. The second question, anybody still copying or can I erase? No. Okay, finish third question and fourth question on your own. Very simple questions. No, vector algebra is there. Volume 2. You already got volume 2, right, or no? You are doing limits, na? Yeah, that one. Yes, please. Uh, in 1A, 75% of the syllabus is completed. Only vector algebra is the only thing left for me. Everything else is over. In 1B, where are you in differentiation completed? Differentiation is going on. So, for you also there 30% may be left, something like that. 1A is relatively little less than 1B, okay, number of classes wise. Anyway, after vector algebra is over, I have to revise 3D geometry once again. Okay, that is also there in the track, which is not there in intermediate. That is 3D geometry is there for you, but 3D lines is not there for you. Okay, so after vector algebra is over, I will revise 3D geometry up to planes, and then we'll also do 3D lines once again in this track. Definitely by January 31st we can complete the syllabus. No, easy only. Actually, earlier we wanted to complete by January 10th, but we are teaching the chapter slowly. We are giving enough time for you and all that. Okay, simplify this, see what comes. Okay, fourth one, I want to do by two methods. One method is it is C plus A plus B by C, and B plus C minus A by B. That is a question where they already gave angle A 60. This is actually 2S. This is 2S minus 2A by BC. That is 4 into S minus A by BC. S into S minus A is formula for cos square A by 2. And cos 30 degrees. So this third question is very easy. Fourth question you can do by half angle formula or you can use cosine rule, whichever way you want. They gave something else. I took LCM. I got this here. A plus B plus A is 2S. B plus C minus A is 2S minus 2A. And then take 2 common. S into S minus A by B C is cos square A by 2 and substitute A. Or angle A is 60 means cos A is 1 by 2. Use cosine rule. Cancel whatever you can cancel. Send denominator that side. Take the given question, expand it. In the numerator, after expansion, you will find B square plus C square minus A square. That can be replaced with BC. BC plus 2BC is 3BC by BC, it will be 3. Yes, please. I think when the intermediate board gives a clarity, then they are going to start. Okay, that is the reason they did not start till now. Another reason, some of you or your parents may be, when are the offline classes are going to start? Okay. Frankly, government did not give the permission yet to start first year classes. Okay, officially. Okay. So in a recognized college, if somebody conducts classes without government permission, it will be a serious problem. Okay. So that is one of the reason maybe because this year government wanted to do admissions in a different way, but they kept a case in the court against the government. So because of that, whole thing process got delayed. All right. I think now government action, whatever they have taken back, whatever is the last year admission process, they are going to do the same thing. Okay. So I think very soon some kind of notification will come. Some government order GO has to come. Then I think we can go ahead and start the classes. Yes, please. I said don't worry about all that. They will inform you at that time you fill it. Till that time don't ask. No, by the time the GO will come and all that, we'll be starting full-fledged physical classes including hostel. Okay. We already started a hostel for second year, some of them like some medical students, some ASB students, and this this Monday, coming Monday onwards, we are starting hostel for all the second year hostlers. Maybe they wanted to see for 1 or 2 weeks till Pongal, and after Pongal they may start for you also. I don't have clear cut information. If I know, I don't have. Now they'll inform early only, not like suddenly that tomorrow onwards you come or Monday onwards you come like that. At least 1 week, 10 days. Yes, you have to do some reservations and something. Yes. Okay, everybody completed fourth question also? Okay. Anybody want to tell how to do fifth question? Based on? Yes. Yeah, fifth question will be very easy if you use projection. Okay, fifth question. Sin A into A minus B cos C by sin C into C minus B cos A. Sin A into, based on projection rule, this is C cos B and This is sin C into, based on projection rule, this is A cos B. Cos B will cancel, and even C sin A and A sin C are equal, so it will be 1 based on the sine rule. We already discussed all the formulas. We don't have to wait for me. Just try the questions. I thought why to leave 4 5 questions, and that's why I'm finishing it. Otherwise, okay. Complete 7th one on your own right now. I'll not write it. Okay, but is this answer correct? 1 by root 20. Okay. 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 I'll change the key then. Okay, after completing 7th one on your own, we already done similar question, almost same question maybe. Ninth question, I skipped 8 because 8 already we discussed in the polygon models. Coming to the ninth question, we already discussed about solutions of triangle. It is same thing, that when two sides are given but not the included angle, some other angle is given, sometimes you may get two triangles. Okay, you can understand from the figure very easily. I construct this this line first. I don't know where is B, but this is AB line. AC is 8 units at an angle 30. Now, if I draw perpendicular, it will be 8 sin 30 degrees 4, and but I want CB side should be 7 units. So, with C, if I take a compass with length 7 and I draw R, it will cut twice because 7 is more than 4 and less than 8. Okay, so it will intersect twice. So, this is also ABC possible with the same data. This is also ABC possible with the same data. So, there will be two such triangles. So, answer will be 2. Okay, have all of you completed seventh one? Okay. Completed ninth one also? Oh, okay. Okay, now we are going to discuss some more theory which is not there for intermediate and mostly not there for mains, okay, mainly for advanced only. As I said already, heights and distances I told you should try, okay. How many questions are there in heights and distance in mains material? For 34 plus 6, 40, okay. Can you complete every day 10 questions like that within 4 days you can complete? Okay. Or maybe 10 is less per day, isn't it? You can complete in 3 days, I think that is better. 15, 15, something like. Okay, so if you have any doubts in first 15 questions in heights and distances, I'll discuss Monday. All right. Not Monday, Saturday also class is there, right? Yeah, Saturday. Okay, Saturday we'll discuss. Okay, first 15 questions or 20 questions if you complete by Saturday is good. Okay, we are going to discuss in detail about orthocenter and altitudes and different properties related to that. Then we discuss about circumcenter, incenter, angular bisectors, the 4 points and the related lines. Okay, in terms of properties of triangle. So coming to uh, orthocenter and related things, I want to discuss first. You take an acute angle triangle, draw 3 altitudes. This is A, this is B, this is C. I want to call this as a D, this as E, and this as F, and this is orthocenter O. If I draw only one altitude first, This is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. This angle is B, and this angle is A. This side is A. This is small b, and this is C. What is the small length? What is the small length? Anybody want to tell? Yeah, this is A cos B. First of all, I wrote wrong here. Sorry, this is C. So it should be C cos B. Sorry about it. And this is B cos C. Okay. Actually, by adding these two only, we got projection rule earlier, right? Okay. So this is B cos C. This is C cos B. Coming to this, it will be C cos A, and it will be A cos C. This will be B cos A and A cos B. You can write both figures, because in this figure how it came, it may not be clear. If you write only this, it will be clear how they came, and then this for all three sides. First draw this figure, next draw this. Okay, I am going to use same figure 2-3 times. You also draw 2-3 times. Don't write everything together because it will be confusing later on. I am drawing this altitude and this altitude. This is ABC. Suraj Sankar, what do you think this angle will be? This angle. I'll ask you separately. This is an altitude, this is an altitude. Altitude with BC, how much angle is it making? I can give you a hint. This is a rectangle triangle. This is a rectangle triangle. This angle is 90, this angle is C. So what is this angle? Yes, this is 90 minus C. Okay, you have to be clear, this angle is 90 minus C, right? Okay. What I am trying to do here is, we need formulas for what is the distance between orthocenter and this vertex, orthocenter and this vertex, orthocenter and this vertex. We also need orthocenter to this side, orthocenter to this side, and orthocenter to this side. We need those lengths. We want to derive those formulas. Okay. So this angle is 90 minus C. 90 degrees minus C. Next, already this length we got it in this figure as C cos B. Okay. If I take tan, I'll get the opposite side, and if I take cos, I'll get the adjacent side. That's how I will know BH length and HD length. Okay. So let me take cos 90 minus C. Adjacent side is C cos B, and hypotenuse is BH. So when you bring this here, you will get a BH is equal to C cos B by cos 90 minus C is sin C, and the small c I can write 2r sin C into cos B. Sin C and sin C will cancel. You will get 2r cos B. Okay, so from orthocenter to vertex B, the length is 2r cos B. What will be to vertex C? What will the length will be? And to A will be 2r cos C. 2r cos A, 2r cos B, and 2r cos C. Let us see what is this HD length will be. I have to take tan. Tan 90 degrees minus C. This is HD. This is BD. No, BD is C cos B, I can write it. Okay, tan 90 minus C, I can write cot C. So HD will come cot C into C cos B. Cot C is cos C by sin C. Small c is 2r sin C into cos B. Sin C and sin C will cancel. You will get 2r cos B cos C. So finally you are getting HD is equal to 2r cos B cos C. Okay, because here B is there, here C is there, I think this length you can remember at 2r cos B cos C. Like that HE, what will be the length? 2r cos A cos C. And if I take HF, yes. Okay, so from orthocenter to each vertex we found the length, and from orthocenter to the perpendicular distance to each side we found the length. Triangle DEF is called pedal triangle of triangle ABC. Okay, if you take the feet of the altitudes, where the altitude meet the opposite sides, the 3 points when you join, you get a new triangle that is called pedal triangle of original triangle. PEDAL, pedal. Okay, everybody completed this down part? Okay, okay. Yesterday my video stopped at 30 minutes and second video came, but today it's going on. So I hope I'll be able to upload one single video. Where is F? If you extend this CH, it will meet at F. The previous two figures, you know that. Okay. Okay, so if you want, you can write these things that if you write one, automatically other things are clear. But if you write all three, it will just more will remember. HA is 2R cos A, HB is 2R cos B, and HC is 2R cos C. And similarly, HD is 2R cos B cos C, and HE is 2R cos C cos A, and HF is 2R cos A cos B. Okay. Before this point, try to write all these things, or after this point, please write it. Okay. If you write before this point, it is better. If you already wrote, it's okay. Earlier, when I'm using this screen recorder in my computer, I can choose which